As a continuation of the look that I've done before with the high fashion volume, I'm going to show you how to make a second look. So I'm going to brush the product a little bit out. I'm going to take a section on the top, on the crown, in a triangle form. I use the Working Hairspray on my brush and really uplift all the hair towards the crown. Then use the Working Hairspray at the roots. Then you hold your hands. I twist the hair towards me first. And then you go up. And then you keep on twisting the hair. And carefully you let go. Then I take the hair on top, push it back. So roll it back so you have less tension. Push it back in. I use big pins. Then I'm going to use the Working Hairspray to take all the little frizz away from the sides. Use your tail comb. Push underneath in. I leave this in first because this roll will be in between the two middle rolls that will be connected together. So with the top section I'm gonna play. I want to leave some bits out. Then I'm using the Working Hairspray at the roots. I use the other hairpin so I can connect left and right. Then I use small pins to connect my first roll with my second roll. Okay, using the Working Hairspray to finish off the hair. So what we've done now is Grace Jones inspired with a little bit of a hint of rock and roll and sexy hair updo.